Hello friends, welcome to Engineering Graphics through CAD Laboratory. I am Rakesh Valasa. In this video lecture, I am going to explain how to draw the electronic circuits in AutoCAD software. Okay, before going to draw the circuit diagrams in AutoCAD software, first we need to identify the circuits in the given figure. Here L1 means inductor, C1 means capacitor, D1 means diode. Here the Q1 means NPN transistor, R2 means resistance regulator, T1 is the transformer, uh, this is the circuit breaker, this is the open circuit. Okay, already I have drawn this solution in this AutoCAD software. Let us see how to draw this circuit diagram in AutoCAD software in easiest way. Open new drawing sheet. Here we are using two commands for importing the different types of circuits in AutoCAD software. That is, one is design center, second one is tool palette. First, you can go to the design center, DC enter. In the design center, DC enter, that means design center. In that, it's showing different types of design centers are available in the AutoCAD software, that is analog integrated, this is basics, electronics, electrical powering, fastening, kitchen. It shows different types of. From this, in the given problem, he is clearly asking that draw the electronic circuit in AutoCAD software. So that's why I am going to add this basic electronics in a tool palette window. So right click, create tool palette. When you click on this create tool palette, that different circuits are added in the tool palette. Now close this window. Now click in, go to the command prompt, type TP tool palette window. In this first column, it's showing different types of icons. Here I am choosing first one, basic electronics. When you click on basic electronics, it shows different circuit symbols in this window. First, the first one is inductance. From this menu, you can choose inductance. Where is this is the inductor? Just you can pick and drop in this screen. Now rotate this symbol in 90 degrees clockwise direction. That is, you can use rotate RO enter. Now choose this one with respect to this point. This is the inductance. Next, the second symbol is capacitor. Go to the capacitor symbol. You can pick and drop in this circuit in the workspace. Now again rotate in 90 degrees clockwise direction, RO enter. Select this one with respect to this point. Now you can move this symbol to near to this inductance. You can join those symbols by using line command. L enter. Join these two symbols. Now turn on ortho mode by using line command. Now also join bottom nodes with also line command. Next take line command, L enter. From the midpoint, draw the this node point. Here the end is one node symbol is there. You can draw one triangle symbol here. Now turn off ortho mode. Then the next icon is, next circuit symbol is diode. Now take line command, draw one horizontal line. Next add diode from this tool palette window. Pick and drop this circuit symbol in this workspace. The next symbol is capacitor. Pick and drop capacitor C2 in the workspace. Next one, draw the resistor from this point. Draw one vertical line. Next add the resistor from the tool palette window. Take resistor. Now rotate in 90 degrees clockwise direction. RO enter with respect to this point. You can move this resistance from this point to this point. Next one, after this capacitor C2, just you can pick and drop NPN transistor, but the same symbol is not available. Just you can choose PNP transistor, pick and drop here and apply the mirror tool. MI enter, select this one, draw the horizontal line, choose no. Now remove this one, otherwise you can click S symbol. Now you can draw the one horizontal line from this capacitor for adding PNP transistor. Then move this symbol from this node to this node. Next, draw the one circle, C enter, from this midpoint draw the one circle. Here the PNP two PNP transistors are there. Just you can copy this image, CO enter, copy this transistor in the same horizontal direction. You can maintain some distance from this PNP transistor to other PNP transistor. Then take line command, from this point draw vertical line, next draw the horizontal line. Okay, from this point draw again vertical line. From this at this point you can add this symbol, that is resistance variable. Now pick resistance variable and import here. Now rotate RO enter in 90 degrees, RO enter, select this object and rotate in 90 degrees in clockwise direction. RO enter, select this one, rotate in counterclockwise direction. Now you can add this resistor variable to this point. Next draw the horizontal line, next draw vertical line. Here we need to add transformer, that is also available in this tool palette window. Now pick and drop transformer. Now connect this first endpoint with this node. You need to draw this transformer that is below of this PNP transistor. So that's why in the other side, from PNP transistor draw the horizontal line. So once delete this one, now extend this line from this point to below of that PNP transistor. Now you can add transformer in the workspace. Now join with this endpoint to this line. Next draw the vertical line from this point. Okay, after this you can draw the one more resistor that is below of this transformer. Take line command. Okay, from this resistor draw the vertical line. Next join with this transformer this another end. Next also draw the vertical line from this resistor variable to join with this horizontal line. Next one, draw the vertical line from this point to vertical line. Next add resistor. Take resistor that is in vertical direction, RO, enter. Rotate this one in 90 degrees. You can connect this endpoint with this one. Okay, after this uh, in the PNP transistor you need to add one more resistor R4. Take line command from this point, draw the vertical line, horizontal line. Next add the resistor to this endpoint. Next take line command, other endpoint, draw the horizontal line. Next draw the vertical line. Next add circuit breaker. There is a circuit breaker and rotate in 90 degrees. RO, enter. Select this one. Now join with this endpoint to this endpoint. M, enter. You can use M, enter. From the other endpoint, draw the vertical line. Next draw the horizontal line up to this resistor R1. Draw the horizontal line. Next connect this resistor R1 other end. The next one is draw the horizontal line from this L1 C1 to this PNP transistor up to this point, horizontal line. Next connect this PNP transistor. Now you can move this resistor that is above that line. M, enter. Move the resistor this endpoint to this one. Next join this resistor endpoint to bottom line. Next one, join this transformer endpoint to this horizontal line. Next draw the vertical line from first PNP transistor endpoint to this first horizontal line. Okay, after this we need to add one more capacitor at in between transformer and PNP transistor. Now from this point draw the horizontal line and add capacitor in reverse direction. Take capacitor. Now apply the mirror. MI, enter. Draw the vertical line. MI, enter. Draw the vertical line. Click enter. Now remove the first one. Now move from this endpoint to this endpoint. Next draw the horizontal line to connect with its capacitor C3 with this vertical line. Okay, this is the next. Draw the capacitor. Here you can draw the one not symbol by using leader line. LE, enter. You can click here and draw the inclination line. Now turn off ortho mode. Next also draw the one more symbol, that is inductance upward direction. LE, enter. LE, enter. From this point to draw the vertical line. Now turn on ortho mode. Okay, after completion of this circuit diagram, one more point is missing, that add ground symbol and circuit breaker. Okay, from this point draw the vertical line and add ground symbol. Next apply the switch open this symbol. So from this point draw the horizontal line. Next apply the switch. Next draw from one horizontal line from other circle to this point. Okay, next after this one we need to apply the nodes by using donut command. DO, enter. Inside diameter take 0, enter. Outside diameter take 1, enter. Here the node points are this one, next this one, this is the junction point, next this junction point, next these two are junction points, next one this junction point, this is also one junction point, the, next this is also one junction point, here also one junction point, next this one, one more junction point is there, this one, here also one junction point is there. Okay, once check the junction points and you can add the donuts as per the given circuit diagram. You need to add the node points or junction points. Now click escape button. Next give the labeling, that is this is take text command. You can type here, this is the L1 inductance, L1, here one is the subscript, next one this is the C1 capacitor 1, okay, next diode D1, this is the diode D1, next this is the capacitor 2, so this is C2, next one this is the PNP transistor, that is Q1, next this is the resistor R2, next this is the transformer 1 T1, next this is the one more PNP transistor, this is Q2, next this is the resistor, this is the resistor 3, that is R3, next is the capacitor 3 C3 in reverse direction, next one this is the resistor 4 R4, this is the VCC, you can also add the symbols, that is plus and minus, this is the positive symbol, positive terminal, this is the negative terminal, next you can also add the symbols for terminals for capacitor, this is the minus, negative, this is the positive, this is the resistor 1, okay, I think almost all symbols are added, or notices are added in the sketch. Okay, this is the final solution for the given circuit diagram. Okay, this is the way to you can draw the circuit diagrams, that is electrical or electronics or mechanical or civil, whatever it may be. You can go to the tool palette window or design center, just you can pick and drop the symbols and connect with line command. Okay, I hope this video is very clear to everyone. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates.